Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, everyone? And in this second meeting, we'll discuss about English sounds, specifically vowel. Previously, you have known the difference between consonants and also vowel sounds. In this meeting, we'll practice more how to produce um, English vowel sounds. As you know that vowel sound is a sound in which there is a continuous vibration of the vocal cords, and the airstream is allowed to escape from the mouth in an unobstructed manner without any interruption. So when you produce vowel sounds, the airstream um, go through smoothly out of your mouth. According to International Phonetic Symbols or IPA, there's some English sounds. Okay, so here are some pictures that guide you how to produce the English sounds. Let's start first. E, like in meat or pit. And then E, like in seek, peak. And or at the first, it's like you pronounce short E. E. Okay. And in the second belongs to long E. E. Seek. Peak. Next, E, like in bat or hat. And then, okay, next, in this one, you open your mouth and stretch your cheek, like in bat or cat. And then the next one here, these symbols, you need to pronounce like in cut or come. This is belongs to stressed syllable. Cut, cut, come. And the next symbol here, like in about, silver. So this is the contrast, like in previous one, belongs to unstressed syllable. This symbol you can pronounce and this one like in shorty, cut. Okay, so let's practice once again. short E, like in the word meet or beat. And then this one, long E, like in seek, peak. Okay, next, this symbol pronounced bat, hat. And the next one gonna be bat, cat. Next, the next symbol, like in fur, murder. So once again, this sound categorized into stressed syllable. Once again, fur, murder. Okay, good. Next, this symbol you may pronounce like in the word murder, mother, and this symbol or this sound categorized into unstressed syllable. Fur, murder, murder, mother. Next, O or should short O, like in too, soon, too, soon. And then long O, like in food, could. Okay, the next, these symbols you may pronounce like in father, bus, while the next symbol like this, it should be long A, like, sorry, saw, part. Now, go on to the classification of English vowels. First, according to the horizontal position of the thumb, they can be front vowels. The front of the thumb is raised in the direction of the hard palate. You can see in the picture when the air flow and also the position of the thumb when producing vowel sounds. Next, back vowels. The back of the thumb is raised in the direction of the soft palate. So put your thumb down and back. And then central vowels. They are intermediate between front and back vowels. So when you produce this sound, pull your thumb up and back. According to the vertical position of the mouth, they can be first high vowels when the mouth is relatively closed, mid vowels when the mouth is approximately halfway, and then low vowels when the mouth is relatively open. According to the lips position, they can be round vowels. They are result of a position where the corners of the lips are brought towards each other and the lips are pushed forwards. And then spread vowels. In this position, the lips are moved away from each other, like when we smile. For example, when you pronounce the sound E or long E. Neutral vowels. They are a result of a position where the lips are not noticeable, rounded, or spread. Third, according to the durations of the sound, they can be long vowels and short vowels. Then I would like you to give an example for each sounds. You may check on the dictionary, and let's go on to the discussion on the forum. Thank you.